Good morning from the gym on a Saturday morning. I'm just showing you years of no exercise. Ito talaga, accumulated fat yan dito. And I've been having difficulty getting rid of this. Yung ganito, oh. Maano yan eh, mabulto. How do you call that? Mabulto siya. Of course, syempre, ang waist. So, years talaga yan of pabaya and sa likod ko. So, there are so many areas that I need to improve on. Although, syempre, the priority really is strength, no? Strength training. But the development of the body should go with it. So, I have checked some exercises and I found one that I'm doing every day. Parang kahit pa paano, nag-i-improve naman. And, you know, it came to a point na actually masakit na din yung dito ko and dito ko. Do any one of you experience that? Yeah, masakit siya, na it hurts. Na parang feeling ko nagsiswell na yung dito ko and dito ko. Kasi maybe it's the fat that collides. Kaya, I'm really working very hard on this and this para mawala din yung parang swelling. Ang weird, no, na I get to notice those things when I started going to the gym. Pati yung pagsiswell niya. Maybe before, meron na din yon, but I just didn't notice them. So, I'll start exercising. I'll show you what I've been doing for the past, ilan na? 2-3 weeks na. Kahit pa paano medyo lumiit ng konti ito. I do 3 sets of these exercises, 12 counts each, regardless whether it's an upper body day or a leg day. Minsan, when we don't go to the gym, I still do it kahit nasa bahay lang. Kasi it's so easy to do, diba? As you can see, kahit sa bahay ka lang, wala kang equipment, all you have to do to use is your body and your hand. Ganun lang siya kasimple. And kung hindi ko siya nagagawa, my arms is actually looking for it. Ganun na nga siguro talagang effect ng exercise. You look for it.